John Anderson with a little more deep water. Okay, we are in a series of videos. We start off with training, we went to nutrition, and now we're gonna talk about how to prep all this goddamn food that you've got to eat every day. Okay, for those of you that watched the last video, went and got your protein and your fat and tried to get all this down, you probably recognize it's a pain in the ass. And preparing this stuff every day is even more of a pain in the ass. All right, simple fact you have to wrap your brain around right now. You have to prepare to succeed. You can't go to bed tonight until tomorrow's food is prepped, okay? But what that doesn't mean is cook chicken every goddamn night. What that doesn't mean is barbecue your steaks every night. It doesn't mean that you have to repeat this process every fucking day. You gotta be a little smarter than the containers you're putting your food into. When you cook 30 pounds at once. When I'm cooking chicken, I completely fill, my counters are covered with chicken. My counters are covered with ground beef. If I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna cook 30 plus pounds at a time, because at that rate I'm gonna get 5 days out of my nutrition. I don't wanna cook every day. That's a son of a bitch. The prep for getting it ready, and then the worst part is the cleanup. Christ, you wanna scrub pans every day? Hell no. All right, so you went to Costco or wherever did you buy your bulk foods, because if you went to a regular market and bought 40 pounds of chicken and beef, you just got stung on the price. So buy in bulk, it's gonna be much more affordable. All right, let's just say you're cooking chicken today, all right? Thaw out 3 10-pound bags, all right? Get out your George Foreman grill, fire up your barbecue, whatever it is you gotta do, and you cook the whole goddamn batch, all 30 pounds, all right? Throw that stuff into a big bowl, right? Lay out all your Tupperware containers, all right? For those of you that are not up to speed, Tupperwares are really easy to come by. Don't worry about buying the most expensive ones, because all these motherfuckers are gonna leak. Whether you like it or not, they're gonna leak. So don't go worry about getting the most expensive Tupperwares you can find. You're gonna lose them, they're gonna break. Get Tupperwares, get them on the counter. Get your scale out and start measuring how much protein you got to get put in there. You got to do it by ounces or grams, however you choose to weigh this stuff out. You got to look at your package. Your package is going to tell you how many ounces equals how many grams of protein. You take that big bowl with 30 pounds of chicken, which is a monster bowl, and you start doling out the chicken into these containers, these Tupperwares. Okay, then you're taking your avocado, you're doling that in there too. Your almonds, whatever it is. I like to make crazy shit. I love crunch. I like to put nuts in with my beef, in with my chicken. I love avocados. I just put a little oil on there. All right, those of you that have to break down and be weak motherfuckers and want some rice in there, that's on you. I'm not telling you how to dose that stuff. I'm not telling you where to put it and how to put it, because the bottom line is you don't need it. But if you are that guy, have at it. Okay, so now you've got 30 pounds worth of protein in containers along with the fats that you have designated. So do the math on that. If you're a big guy, you're talking you've got 5, maybe 6 days worth of food ready to rock, and you prepared once. So if you do it right, you can do food prep roughly once a week. Max twice a week. Don't get caught in the cycle of having to go home and cook and do all this shit every day. It will completely turn your lifestyle upside down. Living this life is not easy. You've got to find the best ways to go about it. Now, you've got them all in your containers. You're going to have a whole shelf in your refrigerator. It's going to be stocked full of these containers. It's actually pretty killer. Once you got them in there, life is easy for the next 5, 6, 7 days. For those of you that don't have an eating schedule, whip out your phone, start setting alarms. Every time that alarm goes off, boom, you got to eat again. Remember, you're eating for function, not for pleasure. Not to say you can't go out to a restaurant and enjoy a steak with your girlfriend, but most of the time you're eating for function. This is what it takes to be a big, bad, lean motherfucker. You want the tits and the bellies? Go listen to another video. I'm telling you how to be a big, strong, lean motherfucker all in one piece. It's that simple, all right? Not easy, but very doable. I repeat, not easy, but very doable. Very simple. You gotta focus, you gotta eat your meals, and you gotta get it done. It's not about what you wanna do, it's about what you need to do to reach your goals. All right, now, we've talked about how to prep your meals and how to prepare them, how to get them in you. You've got timers, you've got Tupperwares, you've got all this shit. Now what's gonna happen is you're gonna start to go a little bit bananas because you're eating the same shit over and over and over and over. Pretty soon that little voice in your brain is gonna start singing and dancing about ice cream and cookies and all this shit. And it is not easy to stuff a sock in that fucking mouth that's in your mind. So next video, I'm gonna talk to you about how you set yourself up to put things in your diet that will keep you from wanting to cheat. John Anderson, DeepwaterMethod.com.